welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Larry Queen. So today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from Omgherhair. I'm just going to be calling it Omgherhair because it's too long. I was looking for a curly hair that I can rock during this season. I can, go on vacations with and give you that, beach vibes. And I felt like this hair was going to work. I have the hair on already and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like properly and what I think about the hair. This is the first time I'm ordering from them and I'm going to be giving you guys a honest review. I got the 20 inches Burmese curls, I think, if I'm not wrong, and I got it for less than £300. So let's get into this video so I can tell you guys what I think about the hair and also how I got it this late. I have not actually tried the hair. This is the first time I'm actually bringing it out of the box because I got it late last night. I'm really hoping that it's good hair. I'll put all the details of the price and everything in the description box, so I'll put it somewhere in the video for you guys. The hair also came with wig caps, which I'm going to be using in this video. They also sent a tail comb, a melting band, which is very crucial when you're doing your hair. So I'm excited about this shop. Hope that they haven't sent a different hair from what they've been sending to the influencers. So it's got this drawstring here to help tighten the hair on the back. I don't know how this is going to work, but let me just wear the wig first. I hate using foundation to darken my wig cap, but oh well, this time around I may have to. It's not really too light because I've seen ones that are lighter. So this is what the hair looks like out of the box. The lace is so good. Like, it fits my skin color, or maybe it's really transparent actually. Look how close to my skin color the lace is. Hair is pre-plucked, so it looks good already without even doing anything. I don't think I have to do anything at all. So I'm just gonna cut the lace out.
I only came over cause all my friends said I should get out more. Smile and nod at all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door. Then cut to you, cross the room in your vintage Levi's. What do I do with this view? Wait, hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. The lights and cue the slow motion, camera close up on your face. It's almost a little too perfect. Heartbeat starts picking at base. Then cut to me and I see our whole life together. What? Don't blame me, just a dream. Oh, this is absolutely a meet cute. Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, cause
This is what the hair looks like on the inside. We have drawstrings on the both sides. Back just has this lace on the back. I think they're supposed to be a bit sticky just to hold your head on the back. So let's try this out.
cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing.
The thing about it that I realized is I don't think you can ever wear it without laying the frontal. Like, there's some hairs, like I have hairs that they're frontals, but you can wear it anytime. It's either it's too small for me or it just feels like it's going to fall off, which usually with the band, it usually stays on your head. So it's not staying very tight on my head. And I don't know if it's really a bit too small, but otherwise this hair looks beautiful. I haven't even done anything. The lace is so transparent, like it's so transparent that if I look close, I can see my wig cap under, but I tried my best to color the wig cap. I'm not really impressed with the fullness of the hair, maybe because I got the 180 density. The hair doesn't look very full. It's just, I don't know. Let me just give it a chance. A lot of girls have been hyping this Ebin spray, so I'm going to give it a try. So that's what I'm going to use now. So let's do this.
Just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. Subtle smile and walk into words. I lock your eyes on mine when I feel blue. This is it, I'm done. It's over. But what
going to use the band that they sent and, you know, just lay this down. Let's see how good this Ebin spray is. Then I'll go on to style the hair. I'm going to style the hair with some leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is a water-based one. Hopefully it's good for the hair. I can't recommend it until I try it. Okay.
In your vintage Levi's, what do I do with this view?
I'm going to use a little bit of serum. So this serum I'm using is like a coil serum. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my hair just to give it a little bit of shine. I'm just going to clip this off. Not bad. This Ebin spray is actually really nice. It's not bad at all. As in, this lace melt is good. I'm really impressed with the Ebin spray because this is really nice. It's so nice. Look at it, guys. I think I have excess spray on here, so I'll just use water and cotton wool to take this off. I haven't done anything at all. I just took out the melting band. The hairline is actually really nice. Pre-plucked and pre-bleed. Then the drawstrings on the back, I really don't know what it is there for because it's not drawstringing at all. If you have like a large head, I'd advise that you just get a large, or if your head is average size, you should still get a large. But otherwise, I am impressed with this hair. It looks really beautiful. It looks like hair that I would wear on vacation. I'm just going to style it a little bit and come back to show you guys.
Absolutely a meet cute. Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life.
Alright guys, what do you think about the hair? If I'm going to rate this hair, I'm going to rate it 7 out of 10 because of the size and the volume. But otherwise, I think the hair is really nice. I'll put all the links in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Check my other videos out, guys. If you've watched up to this point, you're a star. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.